Overlong 500 woman delegate long Apostolic Church of Vanuatu ACV where only come from Shefa, Sanma, Penama, Motafia province only taken part long parade where Vanuatu Mobile Force band he been leading start long Marriott Hostel ko kasem Fresh Waota Skul long Podvilla emi along Sunday number 17 August 2014 also part long opening long number 6 National Conference long Ol Mama long Apostolic Church long Vanuatu. After the parade kasem school, he been got welcome tok he come out long head long Ol Mama long Apostolic Church long Shefa province. Mo main guest speaker long time ya hemi director long Women's Affairs, Doresti Kenneth Watson.
Oseweti memi talem. Watch where you walk about. Be wise, Lord, walk about for you.
Mrs. Kenneth Watson mi point out say no matter where Mama Loblo country tell me clear say man mo woman to like at equal right. Today he still got big for discrimination yet mi stop against mo kata Mama long Vanuatu.
This term here where you meet is like an election of 2012. You know got one mama nothing in several national parliament. In several provinces you know got. You may still tell them solely playing important roles. You may stop afraid of them. What is the fear when you make them say you may not support them all mama or go? You may all mama too. You may afraid looking forward or some leader blow you me tell them the place here. You must trust them God. Dr. Blow God blow me, bring me one level under.
President Blong Apostolic Church Blow Vanuatu, Pastor Bradley Molly, ibin talem thank you long talk to kwe gamot long Director Blong Women's Affairs, Mrs. Doresti Watson. Mo emi point out say emi looks have an important role where woman is to play inside long Church Blong Jesus Christ.
So inside long deep blood Jesus Christ, all mama only stop inside. Inside the district council, he got all mama only stop blood tekem decision. Inside the regional council, inside the national council, all mama too some mama only stop appear inside the place here. Hemi tell him out say Apostolic Church hemi stop releasing right because all mama long bambay only stop inside. The all decision making inside the church.
President Blong Apostolic Church Blong Vanuatu, emi officially open him number 6 National Conference Blong Kata Woman, Blong ACV.
Me glad to mass. Long declare lo yumi long afternoon here. Sa number 6 conference of workshop lo tambu spirit long Fresh Waota. Emi officially open lo name long God Papa, God Piginini, mong God tambu spirit.